You want your text to grab attention and look cinematic? These 6 Premiere Pro text animation and effects will make your title pop, feel professional, and keep viewer engaging. Starting with focus camera style for cinematic feel. Search for Gaussian blur and add it to your text. Make sure your playhead is at the beginning. Then go to effect control and add keyframes to blurriness, scale, and opacity. Set the opacity to 0 and the scale to 105. Set blurriness to 50. Then move forward 1 second and change the blurriness to 0, reset the scale and the opacity to 100. Finally, select all keyframes, right click and choose ease in and out for a smooth animation. And that's an easy focus blur animation. Next is a smooth text reveal. First, add the transform effect to your text. In effect control, make sure your playhead is at the beginning and add keyframes to position and opacity. Change the position to 650 and set opacity to 0. Move forward 1 to 2 frames, then reset scale and opacity to their normal value. Select all keyframes, right click, temporal interpolation, and choose ease in and ease out. Open the graph editor and move the little handles to the left for both keyframes. Then enable shutter angle and change it to 360. Next, right click on the text and nest it. After that, add the crop effect. Duplicate the layer based on the number of letters. For example, if the word has 6 letters, duplicate it 6 times by holding Alt and dragging it. Now crop each letter so only one letter is visible. Doing this for all letters. Finally, move forward 1 frame at a time and offset the layer one by one. Just like that, you have a smooth letter by letter animation. Next up, simple and smooth fade in and out. First, search for linear wipe and add it to your text twice. On the first linear wipe, change the feather to 750 and set the wipe angle to -90. Add a keyframe to transition completion and set it to 100. Then move forward 3 to 5 frames and change it to 0. Now, the second linear wipe, also change the feather to 750 and don't change the angle. Add the keyframe to transition completion, then move forward another 3 to 5 frames and change it to 100. Like always, select all keyframes, right click and choose ease in and out for a smooth fade in and out animation. And the fourth one is the video in text effect. Brings your title to life. This effect works better with bold text. First, scale the video down to fit the text, then search for track matte key and add it to the video layer. In effect control, change the matte to video 2 where the text layer is. And it's as simple as that. You now have a video inside the text. Next, typewriter style. Always grabbing attention. Search for crop and add it to your text. In the effect control, make sure your playhead is at the beginning. Change the right crop to 100 and add a keyframe. Then move forward and reset it to 0. Select both keyframes, right click and choose ease in and ease out. And you can adjust the last keyframe to change the speed of the animation. And finally, the glow effect. Who doesn't love this one? For the glow effect, first add the drop shadow to your text. In effect control, change the color to white, set the distance to 0 and softness to 10. Now, duplicate the effect and change the softness to 50. Then duplicate it again and set it to 100. And once more to 400. You can stop here or add another one and change the softness to 1000 for an intense glow. After that, search for tint and add it to your text. Now you can easily change the color of your glow to wherever you want. You can also select all effects, right click on them and choose save preset to use it later at any time you want. And you can have all this in a free pack. So watch this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace!